Yo, what's up guys? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we're doing 10 B-boy freezes. Now, this will be a quick tutorial. I'm going to hit every freeze from multiple angles, so you'll see forwards, back, side and side. So this is definitely one you can watch a couple of times over to get them freezes. If there is any you're struggling with, comment down below. I will do an in-depth tutorial of each of them freezes, but apart from that, let's get straight into it. Running back a few times, you should be able to learn most of them off this tutorial, yeah? If you did enjoy this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dance's Dope family, hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with all the uploads. And if there's anything that you need me to break down a little bit more and go through more in detail, leave a comment down below. I do reply to every single one of you guys. I appreciate all you guys who are watching these videos. As soon as they're uploaded, it means a lot to me. So thank you guys, see you in the next one.